Hello everyone. I've been thinking since last night about making some pancake. I don't know. I almost did some last night. I was like, I'm hungry. I want some pancake. And I was like, no. It's just crazy to have pancake before going to bed. So I'm gonna make some this morning. I rarely make pancake in the morning, but I have a sweet tooth this morning, I guess. So I always keep in the van those, not the brand, we don't care about that, but those plant-based milk. I'm not someone who drink a lot, who use a lot. So when you open a plant-based milk, you have to drink it, I think it's 7 days or something close to that. And this is just like 1 cup of milk, and it's plenty. That's what I need for this recipe, so the rest can stay in the pantry. You don't need a fridge, you don't need, which is really great. I used to do that when I didn't have a cooler or fridge or anything to keep, so you know, it's useful. All right, make myself a tea first. To be honest, the main reason why I wanted to eat some pancake is because I do have cheese, which is not something that I carry very often in my van. And you probably wonder what pancake and cheese have to do together. I don't know if it's a French thing. I don't know if it's just my mom thing. I'm sure some other people did. We put cheese into our crepe pancake or whatever. Not those thick pancake, mine are just like a little bit thinner, more like a crepe if you want. Yeah, we put cheese in it. It's really good. Trust me. May sound gross. If you wonder, do you put like maple syrup? Yeah, I'm French. Obviously we put maple syrup too. But it's really good. And it's been such a long time since I've done it. So you just cook them on one side. We're gonna flip them. Maybe I should buy a spatula. And you put cheese on one side. Let's see if we can do that. Gonna let the other side cook a little bit more, and I'm gonna flip it. Ooh, it's hot. So it's crepe and cheese, guys. Oh, that cannot be good. I'm telling you. So I make another one here that I kind of like spread a little bit more, and I put more cheese. Even better, guys. So I went on my boyfriend's shop to do a couple things, and apparently I received some gift. Kenny will receive some gift. So thank you so much. I think it's, what's her name exactly? Lisa? Thank you. My goodness. So for Hemi, we have some stuff. Do you know which one is yours? Do you know which one it is? Which one of those one? You have lots. This is for you. This is for me. This is for you. This is for you. Alright, I guess we can open yours first. Ooh. You know what it is? You know what it is? It's a gift. It's a gift, Kitty. Oh, you're gonna be so cute with this. Look. Look at that. Oh, just perfect. Perfect size. less fitting. Oh, look at you. You look cute there. We'll go for a walk. Oh, thank you. You like it? I think I have a feeling you're gonna like even more this one. What we got? What we got, kitty? That's yours. You got some cranberry treats. Oh. You give some kiss already? You know what I have in my hand. Oh, yeah. You want more? There you go. Oh, thank you so much. I wish I could translate everything, but everything is in French, guys. But she's got a YouTube channel and with her cat too. So thank you, Isa. I hope I pronounced your name right, but thank you so much. And maybe one day your cat's gonna meet my little Kelly too. That would be fun. But she's cute. You look cute, huh? Oh yeah. You like it? Can I open mine? No, I'm curious about mine too. And we got some tea as well. You know I love tea, guys. So what we got? Oh my goodness, I have several different type of tea. There you go. I'm gonna hide the our address, but there you go, guys. This is our channel. If you want to check it out, I'm gonna go check it out. So thank you so much. Easy. I hope easy on the move. There you go. Thank you. So we're gonna need a couple things to register a site. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because yeah, I'm not gonna be alone tonight. I'm supposed to get maybe 5 vans, so I need to pick up a spot where we can all hang out. So I'm doing a bunch of projects at the shop. The engine guy is there, the electrician is there, and we all gonna sleep here tonight because it's gonna be easier than just park in a random place, you know, several van. It's not the best. I should put my seatbelt before I make noise. There you go. And potentially Joseph too is gonna come, so we need a lot of space. Alright, there we go. So I have my campsite. There's one in front, one beside me, and 2 other there. So we good to go for tonight. I just forgot how much it was, so I'm gonna have to look at it in the front and pay. But everyone's got a little spot for tonight. So $13 in the winter. So there you go. So I just had a little mini nap while waiting for Joseph to come. The rest gonna come, Chrome and all the rest gonna come probably later because I have a feeling they're gonna work late at the shop. But I was looking at my comments of my last video, and I see a lot of people that ask me for my address. A lot of people want to send me a little something for Kitty, and it's been a while since I made my address public. Last time was away for like almost a year, my big road trip, so I didn't want things to pile up there. So I'm gonna open it for maybe just a month, something super quick. So if you want to send us a little something, it has to be small. Think about van life, think about those things, obviously. But I'm gonna put it in the description, and thank you. Appreciate. So yeah, it's been a very long time since I didn't put my address public. So there you go. You have it now. Thank you. Look at here. Yeah, pussy. There you go. Yeah, pussy. Oh, big stretch. Oh, little kisses. Oh, you.
Yeah, this is still pretty good.
So this is Joseph axe. As you might know, I'm looking for another one. It's way heavier than mine. It obviously split way better than mine. I don't know. I really have like shoulder problems, so I don't want something too heavy. But this one I could like use a hammer to kind of help me a little bit too. Maybe. Alright, so I just came inside just to cut my veggie. I'm making a little veggie quesadillas with some sausage. I really like this brand, by the way. If you can have this. Vegan. The ingredients are not so bad in this one. Yeah, a lot of spice and things that you can pronounce, which is always good. So this one is really spicy, so that's gonna be a nice little touch. And I'm gonna put some onion, red bell pepper, and a lot of mushroom. Usually I put some spinach. I didn't have it, and I'm gonna top that with some leftover cheese. This is cheese, kitty. All right, let's cut this. All right, so I'm gonna put this on the fire, let everything cook, and I'm gonna have to bring in the second bowl, put that in the second bowl, and make my wrap with the cheese.
Good.
There we go. Joseph having some steak and veggie.
Yeah. And you're having, that looks really good actually.
So this is pretty much ready, guys. So I'm gonna put that on the side and make the quesadillas. Alright, that should be done. There you go, guys. There you go. Joseph is still prepping his food. You ready? Alright, let's try a bite of this. Oh yeah.
That's for the dog.
It is for the dog. Madison.
Yeah.
Madison did too.
And then we were doing other things, but please soon with me.
Alright guys, Kitty and I is gonna go in bed. It's getting late. I hope you enjoy your little day. And we will see you in the next one. You want to give them a kiss? Yeah. Oh my goodness. That's a lot of kiss, Kitty. Alright guys. See you in the next one.